Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you have an administrator account. This lets you change system apps. Once signed in, check Windows Update and reboot if an update is pending, because store repairs can fail with pending restarts. Next, open Settings and go to Apps, then optional features to confirm store components are listed. This first sweep removes simple blockers and prepares the system. Make sure network is stable and antivirus isn't blocking Microsoft Store processes before moving on. Now you execute targeted fixes. First, reset the Microsoft Store app from Settings App's Advanced Options and choose Reset. This reinstalls app data but keeps your account. Once done, run WS Reset, exe to clear the store cache and remove stale state that often causes errors. Then open Services and verify Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update Service are running. If stopped, start them and set Startup Type to Automatic. These steps address deeper corruption and service to finish by re-registering the store using PowerShell as admin with the AdApps package re-registration command. This repairs missing package manifests. If problems persist, create a new local user to determine whether the issue is profile-specific, because corrupted profiles can prevent store sign-ins. Finally, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system image and file integrity. These commands restore core components. If still broken, the key tip: try a Windows in place upgrade repair to keep apps and settings while fixing system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.